Hi everyone, Dave here from Trust Studios, and today I wanted to show you guys how I grew this wheatgrass for my cat BB in 8 days. So we'll take a look at the growth from when I started it, and then an update about every day. I think I did a little update, and I'm going to present it to Mr. BB, and so that'll be it. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so it's been a couple of days. And these wheat berries are very old. I probably had them for more than 6 years, probably more than 8 years. But anyway, I bought a bunch of wheat berries many years ago, and they've just been in the pantry. But since I needed to grow some wheatgrass for Mr. BB, I figured I'd give him a try. And so I think they all are sprouting really well, just maybe a little slower. It seems like they sprouted faster before, so I don't know. That could be the temperature too. But anyway, they're doing good now, and that's that's how they were. They were just starting to push the lid up a little bit. So I'm going to put these on my bookcase where they're a little bit closer to the light than they are here, and we'll watch them. But I think they'll be they'll be growing pretty fast. They'll probably be about a week and they'll be ready. Okay guys, so this is the 48 hours since when I put it over here in the light on this wheatgrass, and I'll be glad when this is ready so that Mr. BB can have some grass to eat. And this is very good. I mean, a lot of people juice this grass for as a health tonic, but these are for the cat so that he'll leave my plants alone. And this one is a little bit farther behind, but it was started at the same time, I think. I don't know why it was a little bit behind. I think I didn't put it on this planter until like 8 hours later, I guess, whereas this one was on the planter 8 hours sooner. But anyway, they were soaked the same time. So guys, that's, I don't know what that is, 3 or 4 days altogether, I think it is. Okay, here's another little quick update. You could hear BB in the background. He can't wait for his cat grass. So I think this is day 4 since I put them here under the light. I'm going to put some foil on the container because I think this is going to be a longer grow. I think I said that yesterday, but anyway, I'm going to put some foil on there so we don't get any algae. But as you can see, it's looking nice. I'm thinking I'll give it another 3 or 4 days before I hand it over to Mr. BB. Okay guys, so this is day 5, I believe, since I planted them on the screen. And I had them soaking for the night before. This one's still lagging behind a little bit, but that's good because he'll be able to have, I'll give this one to my cat first and then I'll have that one after. So it's getting there, but I think I'll give it another few days. Let's take a close-up. So it looks nice and healthy, nice and green. Okay guys, there it is on day 6. I moved it over here from my bookcase because it was getting a little too tall. It was the tips were starting to hit the light over there, so I moved it to my kitchen window. And I have a little light above here. But this is also a south-facing window, so I have that light right up there. And yeah, so we'll be giving this to Mr. BB either today or tomorrow, and see how he likes it. Okay guys, so I think it's day 8 with the wheatgrass, and I'm ready to give it to Mr. BB and see if he likes to eat some wheatgrass and leave my other plants alone. But I don't know if I'll get him to, you know how cats are, whenever you want them to do something they'll never do it. So, but we'll see. I'm going to show him and we'll see if he likes to try it. So I showed Mr. BB the cat grass, but he doesn't really seem interested right now. But I'm going to put it over by my grow pipe on the bookshelf, and hopefully he'll get an idea to try it later. But it really did grow out beautiful, and even though the seeds are like 8 years old, it did a nice grow. So 8 days on 8-year-old seeds in the Magic Micro Hydroponic Planter. Beeb, don't you want to try that? He's been eating at the spider plant I have in the living room. Anyway, I'm pretty sure he will try it. He's just not in the mood to try it just yet. So thanks everyone for watching. Even though he did not want to try it when I presented it to him, that's just the way he is. You know, in time I'm sure he'll come to find it, and hopefully he'll leave my plant alone. But I'll let you guys know in the next episode. But it's beautiful wheatgrass, even if you wanted to grow it for yourself. You know, a lot of people like to take these wheatgrass shoots and juice them. You know, this would be probably a small amount. You'd probably need a few of these to make a wheatgrass shot. Although I don't know because I've never done it. But yeah, you know, and you could grow it even a little bit more than this. It really did not use that much fluid. I put the, as you could see, it really only used a little bit. It only used about 1 inch of fluid. I put the foil on it because I thought it was going to be a very long grow. But it really wasn't. It's only 8 days. I don't know if I can cut it and have it come again. I think it might be. So I might try that. May as well let it keep going. So if he messes it up and gets it all hacked up and matted down and stuff, then I'll just cut it and I'll put it back under the light and see if it'll come back. But anyway, guys, that's it. Fast and easy hydroponic grass on the Micro Magic Hydroponic Planter. Link to my Etsy store below. But of course, if you want to make one, there is a video in the channel. I'll try to remember to put that in the description as well, so you can check out that video on how to make these. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.